If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages or conversations on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is partially yes. At least by default, it is partially possible to recover deleted chats. So if you try to delete individual messages, so let's say I'm going to select this message, and if I try to remove it, then over here we have this information that this action cannot be undone. So if you decide to delete that message, it is permanent and you cannot recover it. Now, in case you want to remove a whole conversation, a whole chat, then in that case, you move that chat to trash for 30 days. And then you have the option to recover it. So we can tap on our Google account on the right side or in the upper right corner. And then here we have the trash. And then you should be able to, for example, tap on the conversation that you want to recover. And you can use this clock with an arrow over here to recover, to restore that whole conversation. But there is additional thing, like a workaround that you can do to be able to recover deleted messages. And that is, you can use the Samsung Messages app. Now, in my case, I already have the Samsung Messages app over here. Of course, to be able to actually use it, we need to make sure that this app is the default one. So let me just quickly switch that. You can get the app by using the Galaxy Store. So if you can find the Galaxy Store on your phone, then you should be able to search for Samsung Messages. Let's type Samsung Messages. There we go. And then you should be able to find this app. So you want to download and, of course, open it. Now, in here, if you decide to remove an individual message, if you try to delete it, let's select that I want to delete that. Even though I actually remove the whole conversation, you can still actually recover it. So we should be able to recover the whole conversation as well, or recover just individual messages. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.